Since its independence, trade deficit has been a consistent feature of Sri Lankan economy, as its import bill has always been more than the revenue earned through export. Huge amount of the foreign exchange earned is being consumed to pay for the import bill for years. In recent years, debt servicing commitment of the government has put additional pressure on the foreign reserves. On the other hand, foreign exchange inflow to the country declined, first due to the impact of Easter Sunday attack on tourism sector in 2019, and then due to the outbreak of global pandemic, which severely affected all the main foreign currency earning sectors of Sri Lanka, that is tourism, remittances and export. As the government could not raise adequate liquidity owing to the unprecedented adverse market conditions, the CBSL continued to provide liquidity from the foreign reserves since 8 April 2020. Between 8 April and 22nd June 2020, the central bank settled $1,007 million of government debt utilizing the central bank's foreign reserves. Debt commitment for the period July 2021 to July 2022 is approximately 5 to 7 billion dollars. Reduction in the inflow of the foreign reserves at a time when the outflow is significant has made the current foreign crisis worse in the recent years. Due to the foreign reserves crisis, the country is facing severe fuel shortages leading to daily power cuts, shortage of food, medicines, cement and other essential items, long queues in front of grocery stores, pharmacies and fuel depots in many parts of Sri Lanka indicate the shortage of essential items. Importers are finding it difficult to get letter of credit (LOC) issued from the banks due to lack of foreign currency in the country. As a result, many of the containers are stuck at the Colombo port for several days, since payments are not settled. Due to shortage of fuel, many power plants have to be kept shut, which is resulting in power crisis in the country. Some power plants are resorting to hydro energy using the waters basically used for irrigation purposes. Due to insufficient rains and increased use of reservoirs for the power plants, water shortage is anticipated, which, as per experts, will badly affect agricultural production and may lead to food crisis. According to the All Island Private Pharmacy Owners Association, a severe drug shortage is looming as the existing backup stocks of medicines are due to be used up within 3 months. Reportedly, Sri Lanka has a 5% shortage of required medicines. Another fallout of the depletion of foreign reserves is downgrading of Sri Lanka's sovereign rating by the international rating agencies. It has impacted the investors' confidence to invest in Sri Lanka as the country has been put in the high risk category of defaulting the debt servicing. There have been calls for effective measures by the government to deal with issues arising out of depletion of foreign reserves.